Hey, today in this video you gonna see the making of portrait of Deepika Padukone, and for making this portrait I have used outline pencils, cotton buds and soft eraser. The pencils I have used are of HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. I have a very smoothing experience with outline. It works wonderfully with paper. Shading comes so smoothly. Working with graphite pencils and colored pencils are vastly different. Yesterday I had drew Arnold Schwarzenegger with a different technique. But today technique is totally diverse from previous one. Yesterday I gave 3 layers started with lightest shade, but today at very first layer itself I have tried to opt the exact shade with exact grade pencils at the very first layer. Then at the last I have been finishing touch at each part. Both results are in front of you. You can choose your best style and comment me, and if possible send me the link of your video. I will love to see the result you got with these techniques. I always try to bring tutorials and informative videos in front of you. So if you are not my subscriber, then do subscribe my channel. And also one request is there that if you feel my video deserve more views or this video can be helpful for someone else, then do share it. Today I really want to mention that the comments from my friends are very remarkable. I got inspired a lot. They are also very talented artists, and I request my viewers to see their videos too, cause you will be fully enjoy their quality videos too. One more important fact I will share with you in my nearby upcoming videos that what YouTube has done with me after reaching 250 subscribers. I am waiting for collecting more information about it. Very soon I will upload that video too. One suggestion I want from you, my friend, that if you are watching my video till now, then please suggest my next video will be on which medium. It will be on graphite pencils or colored pencils or watercolor or poster color or acrylic color. I will wait for your valuable comments. If you have any favorite character, then mention that too. I will try my level best to draw them all. Hey guys, tomorrow I will come up with new videos. Being an artist, when I see you guys are subscribing my channel, then the artist like me used to get motivated. We get more enthusiasm and inspirations to work with more energy. So if you want to be a part of my inspiration, then do support. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.